Okay, now on to the fun part. Welcome to video 4. We have collected our shadow queries over here. All you do now is click on there and click on Shadow Query Page Prompt Builder. Boom. This is awesome. Click on what questions do you have for me, and it's going to ask you the first question. Cool. So what is the first long tail search term that we want to build a page out for? So we'll start at the top. Paste that in. Full business information mandatory. So this is the perfect questions that you need answered by your client or for your business. Website text, about history, services offered, areas, contact details, etc., etc. The more information you put in, the better the listicles will be, obviously. So I've already requested the customer to fill out this information, which I have here in a Google Doc, all this information. So I just go Control A, copy, paste. This is important. We need a direct URL to your business logo image. I'll get that and come back. So this is the site, so I'll just go here, copy image address, paste, done. So what we have created is a hyper-specific prompt to put into Gemini. Gemini creates amazing web pages. So we copy this. You are an SEO engineer and technical content generator, all the way down the bottom. Control C to copy, Gemini, and now go to Canvas and paste and wait till you see this. Incredibly fast. Look at that. Why is this important? Just let me read out some content from the sales page. Dominate the AI decision engine with atomic content. Stop chasing high volume keywords and start capturing the hidden shadow queries that actually drive AI recommendations. When ChatGPT or Gemini thinks about a prompt, it doesn't look for one answer. It performs a series of silent internal searches to verify facts and compare options. Shadow query reveals these invisible reasoning paths, allowing you to build a semantic lattice of atomic content. By creating hyper-focused pages that answer these specific long-tail shadow queries, you aren't just ranking, you are providing the exact logic fragments the AI needs to harvest and cite your brand as the ultimate authority. Huge. And that's exactly what this is, particularly at scale. So now that's done. Go in there, Control A, Control C to copy it, paste, save as, HTML file. So now we need to name that page the same name as the term we're going for. So save as, HTML, and remove the spaces, save. And here is that page. Perfect. Here's one I did for Shadow Query itself, and hopefully all you guys have got this. It's bruteforcegeo.com/triangulate, and you can test it all. Look at that. That's the Open Graph data. Here is all the structured data. Beautiful. And let's see what this does. Okay, you're not going to get any better than that. This is an incredibly efficient page which AIs love. And this one here, will be the same once it's hosted. Okay, so that's one page. Now on to the next page. Very simple. Go back to your GPT that produced this. Now do the same for this new term. Boom. While that's doing that, I'll go back to Gemini. New chat. Canvas. Copy. Now here is our second page. While that's doing that, I don't know what the term is, but obviously you guys know we've been building out Listicles.tech for the last few months. Had no idea this was coming along, then this comes along, and with Listicles.tech we're going to be able to paste all of that content into Listicles.tech, and it's just going to churn out these highly optimized listicle pages that are a lot better quality than what we're building here. Not only are they better quality, they are using internal linking structures to ensure that not only the long tail terms will rank, but the base term here will have lots of internal linking pointing to it, so your main term will rank in and of itself in the search engines. And as it turns out, Google search is not going away. In fact, it's increasing. Had a dip there with the prominent rise of ChatGPT, but Google is crushing this space. Their search volume is up higher than before. So not only are we going to get our shadow queried pages as answers to questions in ChatGPT, we will also be getting the benefit of Google search and AI answers using Listicles.tech by basically copy and paste that into Listicles.tech, and it's going to pump this content out at scale, including our advanced simulated results, which will be perfect for Gemini and Grok and Copilot. This is the second one. Perfect. And since you're in Gemini, you can say, make this page more aesthetic, pleasing to the eye. I've given you the base prompt and you can do whatever you like with it. Okay, that's done. Check this out. Very, very cool. Very, very nice. So you do the same. Copy all of that. Controls. Okay, I'll do it one more time. Control A, Control C. Paste. Get the second term. File. Save as HTML. And then remove the spaces. Boom. Look, it just makes sense, doesn't it? ChatGPT is going to be searching for your main term. If you have all of those shadow queries covered, it's going to go out to the web and find your content and see that, oh, TrueGuard Pest Control has got a 4.9 star rating. It provides all these services and it's ranked number 1 in this category. What's also important is when you host these pages, it's very important that you go to Bing Webmaster Tools, just log in with your Google account, and then top left, go to Add Site, add this URL or domain, and then verify it, and that ensures that you will get indexed in Bing, which is where you need to be for ChatGPT. And then put all your URLs in. We use Index Me Now, which I highly recommend. It's more expensive than the others, but it just works. it will get into Google. These pages get into Google within 8 to 12 hours because they're so efficient. Like, it's a no-brainer for Google to index them. Bing takes up to a week. Once it's in Bing, then you can check in ChatGPT. Then you go to your third query, go back to our GPT. Now another one for this term. Make it pretty. Copy this. That's one massive prompt. Back to Gemini. Canvas. There you go. Very, very cool. What a beautiful web page. And you do the same. And then you do the same for all of these. And then you can also do the simulated results, which will improve over time, which are mainly targeting Gemini and Grok and Copilot. Control A, Control C, paste, search term, save as, HTML, done. Now the beauty of this is that it's all so simple to use. Obviously anyone can type a term in here in relation to the niche that their business is in and extract as many query terms as they like, auto suggested terms, shadow query simulation terms, and you'll see the competition there. Then you just go to our shadow query prompt builder, click on here, answer the questions that it provides, go to Gemini, paste it in, build sites like this for each of your terms discovered. It's a no-brainer. That being said, if you don't want to waste your time doing that, we will provide a done-for-you service. So it will be shadowquery.tech/DFY, and you can just paste in your terms here into the form. I don't know what we're charging, but there will be a fee. Pay the fee, and then within 24-48 hours you will get returned a zip file with all of your web pages created. So all you have to do is host them. Simple as that. So this is the end of video 4, and I'll see you in video 5, where we go over some strategies that have never been available before until shadow query. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.